forest air is cool and saturated, carrying the rich, earthy scent of damp soil, decaying leaves, and ancient moss. The world outside has been left behind, its noise and haste silenced by the dense canopy and the slow, rhythmic descent of a gentle rain. You stand at the entrance to a winding trail, a feeling of deep peace settling over you as you step from the familiar world and into this quiet, living cathedral. This is a sanctuary for solitude, a retreat for the senses, a place where time is measured not by clocks, but by the quiet drip of water from leaf to leaf. The transition is immediate and profound. The familiar feels impossibly distant, replaced by an ancient, timeless quality. You take your first step onto the trail, a ribbon of soft, dark earth carpeted with a thick layer of moss. Your footsteps make no sound, absorbed by the yielding softness beneath you. The path winds through a stand of tall, ancient trees, their trunks reaching like pillars towards the sky. The light here is soft and diffused, a misty gray that filters through the dense upper branches. The air is so full of moisture that it feels almost tangible, a cool, gentle mist against your skin. You feel a sense of profound stillness, as if the forest itself is holding its breath, waiting for you to join its quiet rhythm. The grand, cathedral-like space of the forest seems to absorb all sound, all urgency, leaving only a deep, pervasive quiet. The sounds of the forest are a symphony of water. Above you, the rain falls onto the thick, leafy canopy, creating a gentle, constant patter as it makes its initial contact. This is the forest's primary melody, a vast, whispering hush that surrounds you completely. Below this, you can hear the secondary percussion. The larger drops, having coalesced on leaves and branches, now fall in a steady, intermittent pattern. Plink, plop. The sounds are clean and clear, a gentle rhythm that speaks of unhurried movement. A tiny stream, running alongside the trail, adds its own voice, a soft, gurgling murmur over moss-covered stones, a constant reminder of the life-giving force of the rain. Listen closely, and you can hear the faint, hollow thud of a heavier drop falling from a higher branch, a deeper bass note in the composition. Your gaze is drawn to the vibrant colors of the forest floor, all intensified by the moisture. The moss glows with an impossible green, a luminous carpet that clings to fallen logs and smooth, gray rocks. It looks soft enough to lie on, a bed of pure velvet spun by nature itself. The ferns, their fronds unfurled in delicate, intricate patterns, are a deeper, more saturated green, each one a small miracle of form and texture. You notice the vibrant yellow of a mushroom growing from a stump, its color a shocking splash against the muted tones of the wood. Every detail, every shade, is brought into sharper focus by the gentle, cleansing rain. The bark of the trees, a tapestry of gray, brown, and charcoal, is crisscrossed with fissures and ridges, each one a story of years past, and each one now glistening with moisture. The ground is a rich canvas of living textures, from the spongy moss to the slick, damp soil, a testament to the constant, quiet work of the earth. You feel a profound sense of solitude, but it is not lonely. It is a peaceful, nourishing aloneness, a feeling of being completely present with yourself and with the immense, silent life of the forest. The solitude here is a form of companionship. The trees are your silent witnesses, the trail your guide, the rain your constant partner. There is no need for conversation, no pressure to perform. You are simply walking, breathing, and existing, completely accepted by the quiet world around you. Your thoughts, so often a loud and demanding chorus, begin to quieten. They become like the drops on the leaves, forming for a moment, then falling away to be absorbed by the quiet earth below. This mental quietude is not a void, but a fullness, a mind filled with the gentle sounds of the rain, the cool touch of the air, and the simple beauty of the path. The air smells so pure, so alive. The scent of decaying leaves is rich and earthy, a promise of renewal and a testament to the cycles of life. It blends with the sharp, resinous notes of pine and the fresh, clean scent of the water itself. You inhale deeply, filling your lungs with this clean, fragrant air, and feel a sense of profound grounding. You are connected to this place, a part of its silent, enduring energy. Every breath is a small meditation, a simple act of drawing this peaceful atmosphere into your body. This air, so much cleaner than the world you left behind, feels like it is nourishing you from the inside out, cleansing your spirit with every slow, deliberate inhale. You continue your walk, the trail curving gently through the trees. You notice how the rain hangs in the air, a fine, glittering mist that catches the soft light. It clings to the spiderweb spun between branches, turning each strand into a delicate string of silver pearls. You pass a large, ancient log, its surface a universe of texture and color, covered in a mosaic of mosses, lichens, and tiny fungi. The log is a testament to the passage of time, a reminder that the forest's pace is slow and unhurried, a pace that you are now a part of. The small white fungi that grow in a delicate, layered pattern on the side of the log are an intricate sculpture, a tiny, quiet city built of pure stillness. You feel a pull to kneel down, to see the world from this perspective, to marvel at the complex beauty of a single inch of forest life. The rain intensifies just slightly, the rhythmic plinking becoming a more continuous sound. You feel it on your skin, a soft, cool touch on your face, the gentle weight of a single droplet on your eyelashes. It is not an unpleasant sensation, but a beautiful one, a direct communication from the sky to your skin. It feels like the forest is washing you clean, not just on the outside, but on the inside as well. The feeling of being completely at the mercy of the elements, yet entirely safe and warm, is a deep, profound comfort. The forest is your shelter, its canopy a vast, natural umbrella. The drops on your skin feel like a gentle blessing, a quiet acknowledgement from the natural world that you are here, that you are present, that you are a part of it. Your mind, so often in a state of frantic activity, begins to mirror the quiet stillness of the forest. The constant internal chatter fades to a whisper, then to silence. You find yourself simply observing, a peaceful witness to the gentle dance of your own consciousness. You are completely present in this moment, held by the gentle cadence of the rain. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, but here. The small, persistent tensions in your shoulders and neck begin to dissolve, your jaw softens, and the small muscles in your hands uncurl, their grip on the world finally released. Your body feels light and unburdened, a vessel for this simple, beautiful walk. The sound of the rain becomes the only reality. You are no longer thinking about it. You are simply experiencing it. It becomes a part of you, a calming presence that soothes your nervous system and lulls your body into a state of deep relaxation. The rhythm of your breathing slows, synchronizing with the slow, steady drip of water from the trees. Every inhale is a moment of peace, every exhale a release of tension. The world outside the forest feels like a distant memory, a place you visited long ago, a place that has no hold on you here. The gentle, consistent rhythm is a powerful tool for quieting the mind, a metronome for your soul that guides you to a state of profound stillness. You feel a profound sense of unity with the forest. You are not a visitor here, but a part of it. The path, the trees, the rain, the moss, they are all a part of a single interconnected whole, and you are woven into its fabric. The solitude is not an absence, but a presence, the presence of nature, vast, silent, and deeply accepting. This is a peace that feels earned, a stillness that has been granted to you by the quiet generosity of the trees. It is a feeling that is rooted deep in the earth, and yet it feels as expansive and boundless as the sky. The forest feels like a vast, living being, and you are held gently within its embrace, a part of its silent, ancient life. The afternoon light, though still misty, seems to grow a bit softer, a golden gray hue filtering through the cloud cover. The rain begins to taper, the steady din becoming more intermittent, the plinks and plops becoming fewer and farther between. The silence that follows is not empty, but full of the aftersounds of the rain. The gentle dripping from 1,000 leaves, the subtle murmur of the stream, and the soft, steady hum of the forest itself. You continue your walk, the trail now damp but no longer being actively refreshed. The air, though still misty, feels lighter, purer, a distillation of the storm. The scent of pine is sharper now, a clean, refreshing note that rises from the needles, mingling with the last hints of the damp earth. You take one final deep breath, a breath that is now infused with the quiet serenity of the forest, the cleansing power of the rain, and the deep peace of your solitude. This feeling, this calm, remains within you. The forest has given you a gift, a moment of profound quiet that you can carry with you long after you leave the trees. The feeling of being held, of being perfectly at ease, is a part of you now, ready to be called upon whenever you need it. May your rest be deep, your dreams be sweet, and your return to the day be gentle, feeling profoundly refreshed, deeply relaxed, and utterly at peace. Do remember, you are always welcome here at the Nap Nook.